is Max Kavanaugh. I'm here at the MarineMax Rogers location, and today I have the pleasure of showing all of you this beautiful 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation that's right behind me. Now we're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our boats, and it's beautiful. It's got a nice gray exterior. You can see the cream interior color just from the outside. Now this 230 Sunsation has pop-up stainless steel cleats that fold back down. Up in the front you have nicely integrated docking lights with the red and green navigation lights. So they did a great job with that. As we walk back here, you do have a side door that will open up as well, giving you easy access to a dock or to a slip. You have a nice big bimini top on this 230 Sunsation. It is manual, not electric. That is an option though. And in the back of this boat here, this does have the RL layout, and we'll go over that when we're inside, but you get the safety railings back here so you can sit in the seats back here, which is kind of cool. You have a nice big ski tow bar, and you have a Mercury 200 horsepower engine that's a V6. Plenty of power for this pontoon. Now this is a tri-tune, and standard is the 25-inch PTX tune on this Premier boat. This is an incredible pontoon, or I'm sorry, incredible tri-tune, and we'll be able to perform wakeboarding, tubing, skiing, all from that ski tow bar back here. And with this power plant, the 200, you're gonna have plenty of power to have a lot of fun on the water. Now just around this motor on this side, you'll see a nice stainless steel ladder that has a nice big platform here for your feet, which is great. Makes it easy just to get up into the boat when you're in the water hanging out. That was the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we're inside this beautiful Premier 230 Sunsation. We're starting off in the bow, and there's a lot of great space in this 23-foot pontoon. You'll see there's storage underneath all of these seats in the bow, which is great. There's 2 stainless steel cup holders on each side, so 4 in total. You have 2 speakers down below with RGB lighting in them, and you can actually adjust that lighting to whatever color you would like. There's a wireless phone charger located right here. That's a very cool feature on this 230. In the floor, there's a middle tune in-floor storage located right in here. You can put your cover in there, maybe some skis, life jackets, anything of that nature, which is nice. As we work our way back, I'll move towards the actual helm, and it's a beautiful raised helm on this 230 Sunsation. There's some storage pockets here on the side, and at the helm itself, as I sit in here, you have your traditional gauges, your Lowrance fish finder, a Clarion stereo head unit located right here, a nice steering wheel. You do have an adjustable phone holder, so iPhone, maybe an Android if you have one, will fit in this. And then off to your right, you have your physical buttons with your switch to change the RGB colors in the speakers, which is really cool. So it's simple to use. You have your nav lights, anchor lights, docking lights, courtesy lights here, your USB ports, 12-volt outlet, all located right here, which is great. Now, your throttle is off to your right, located right here. It's in a great position, it feels super comfortable. The helm chair itself, a lot of great bolstering. You have 2 flip down and flip up armrests, just like so. And flip back up. It does recline, which is great. Now this is the RL layout. So in the back here, you'll see this is very adjustable, which is cool. Now it also does come with a dual helm chair. So you have a great chair, or great captain's chair for your passenger here on the port side, which is great. More comfortable for them. As we work our way back, again, another speaker. Now this is all adjustable, and you can kind of configure it to how you want to use it for the day. So you can lay these all the way flat, use this as a full bed. You can actually adjust this back and lay this one back. And I'll kind of give you an example real quick. So this could lay all the way flat like so. And this backrest lifts up, locks into place like so, and now you can use this as a backrest. You can lay out here, full sun pad. You can close off the area back here with the chains, and now you can actually use this space while the boat is moving, which is great. So just added square footage on this pontoon, which is really cool. Again, you're gonna have 4 stainless steel cup holders on each side, which is really cool. Some storage with some USB chargers as well. And then down below on this side, Another wireless charging port, which is really cool on this 230 Sunsation. There's a lot of cool features packed into this 23-foot pontoon that I think any family or anyone would really enjoy, especially here in Minnesota on our lakes. If anyone has any questions on this beautiful boat, feel free to give us a call or come stop by our MarineMax Rogers location, and we would be happy to answer any questions and show you any of the premier models that we do have. Thank you.